Alright, YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Mo, and I'm back again with another YouTube video. So, I just finished recording the previous video, so we're just gonna start this one. It's currently Tuesday, February 3rd, 2026, 6:38 a.m. And I'm going to give you analysis of what I'm looking for the markets to do. So, I took this trade this week on NZD USD, looking for the sell opportunity. Price gave me a beautiful order block, pull back to order block, evening star pattern, just beautiful trade overall. Price came back overnight, stopped me out, retested this round psychological level, which sucked a little bit because this was such a good move. And this is, I taken this trade, I attempted to take this trade last week, got stopped out, flipped out like this. This week, just got flipped out again, which sucked. But I'm still looking to sell on this pair. Like, price is giving me price action that it wants to sell to the downside, so I'm looking to sell. In order for me to sell, I'm waiting for price to pull back to this zone right here to retest this order block. Give me an evening star pattern, and then I would take this straight to the downside from that level. So that's how I'm expecting on NZD. You just gotta be patient with that and let the setup come to me. GPUSD price is breaking below. I like how the daily candle goes like that. 4 hour, it did have a retracement overnight, but it's back again underneath that level. Price made a nice, decent order block on the 10-minute. I already retested it again with this wick, but I need an evening star pattern, so I'm just gonna wait for price to pull back. Give me that evening star pattern. Once I get that evening star pattern, I'm in this trade to the downside. USD JPY, I will be looking to buy because price is pushing. The thing is, we're already kind of close to the level, so I just gotta be careful with that. But overall, I'll be looking to buy. There is no new order block for me to buy from. I don't feel comfortable taking a buy up here or here. I would more likely take it down here, but I don't think price will have that retracement down here this early. So just gonna keep watching it. That's what it is. Euro USD, I'll be looking to sell, but honestly, price is at this zone, so I was just. It's kind of a tricky play to make, and I don't want to put capital at unnecessary risk. So just gotta be patient with that one. USD CAD, I was looking to buy, and I'm still looking to buy. I like the price action. It's just flowing in the middle. If I was looking to buy, I would wait for the pullback to, where's that? It was just on the 1 hour. Yeah, right here. This pullback right here to this level, and then let's go 15 minutes. Okay. Yeah, so I would just wait for a pullback to that level. Oh, actually, like, no, you know what? Well, I'll just keep watching it. I don't really have a good level to buy from. I guess on a 1 hour order block, yes. Let me just put it on. But yeah, I just gotta be patient with it. I gotta see what price action is going to do. AUD USD, I'll be looking to sell. The price is above this, so I don't really care right now, which is fine. And then USD just don't really care, it's doing whatever. So as of right now, just waiting for NZD to give me another setup to enter the sells. Hopefully we do get that setup. This is a better risk reward as well if we take it up here. So this is waiting for price to give me an entry signal to sell. And then GPSD, same thing, just waiting for an entry signal to sell. But I'll update you guys either in like 30 minutes if I end up taking a trade, or I'll just end up updating at the end of the day. So yeah. Alright, yo, what's going on YouTube? So I'm back. It's currently 7:10 a.m. and I ended up taking this trade. So let me break down this trade. So coming to market, we are bearish. Daily candle stayed close below the structure point yesterday, and as I was looking for my analysis this week, if price closed below, I'll be looking to sell. Price closed below. 4 hour also closed below. Finally shifted structure to the downside. It is bearish. So coming to the market this morning, price is pushing to the downside. Price had a retracement overnight above, but ended up breaking below this morning. So now, waiting for price to make an order block. Made a decent, actually a nice order block on the 10-minute. Yeah, it was a nice order block. And then waiting for an evening star pattern. Price gave me that evening star pattern right here, and then massive retrace, push to the downside. I'm like, okay, cool. Once price gave me that, I just did a sell limit right here. So my entry was right here. Stop loss is 20 pips. Normally it'd be 15 pips, but at the 20 pips. And then I risked 1% on both of my accounts on this trade. And yeah, I'm in this trade right now. So we're currently, let me see. We're up $45 on my small account right now. And then the big account just doubled that. The big account probably like 80. And as well as that, the 7 hour candlestick just opened. So yeah, that's how the trade is looking right now. I guess, yeah, I'll update you guys at the end of the day, see what the market is throughout the day. NZDSD, I'm not looking to take any trades on here. I just don't feel well, not avoid it, I'm just gonna stay away from it. Like, it's not giving me the price action that I need. I thought it was giving me the price action I need, but right now, like, look, this is one trade. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like, last time we took a good trade on here was November. Wow. Okay. So yeah, I'm just gonna be patient. Yeah, I'm not looking to take any trades on NZDSD today. It's okay. I'm good. GPSD, I'm in this trade right now, so let me actually move this number 1. And then all the other pairs, I'm just not looking to take any trade on them. Let me delete this because I'm not interested in this anymore. And yeah, so that's what price is doing. I will update you guys at the end of the day. Yo, what's going on YouTube? I'm back again with the next part of the video. It's currently Tuesday, February 3rd, 2026, 5:08 p.m. And so the trade that I took this morning, I lost. Literally, like, let me show you. As soon as I took this trade, right, price just went up, stopped me out completely, and then pushed it upside. I was a little disappointed. I was on my way to work when this happened. And it sucks. It hurt, but I can't control the markets. The markets gave me all that I needed to enter. I took the trade, right? Let's say I hadn't taken it because of this trade, because I had lost on this one, then I'll be mad at myself because a good opportunity presented itself and I was scared because of this loss. I'm not gonna let this loss stop me. So when I came to the chart, I saw this setup. Cool. The opportunity was there. I took the trade, followed my trade plan, did everything I was supposed to do. Let me give a quick breakdown on where I messed up at and where I could have done better. So coming to the market this week, price had a massive rejection last week. So coming to this week, I'm expecting the weekly candlestick to continue having to push the downside to sell off, because every time price rejects up here, has a sell off. Cool. Daily, beautiful push to the downside, came to the structure point. I said if price closes at or below the structure point, I'll be looking to sell. On top of that, and then price did close at the structure point. I guess I wouldn't say, not really like technically below it, but like right on the line. So look, let's just look at it. Actually, technically it closed below. So market did that. Not only did it do that on the daily, on the 4 hour it shifted structure to the downside. So now it is bearish. So now bearish 4 hour, 1 hour, and lower pairs. Cool. Price below the structure point. Coming to the market this morning, I needed a quick retest of the structure point and a continuation to the downside. What did I find? I found prices shifted to the downside below the structure point. Price made a nice order block on a 10-minute, came back, tested it, just waited for a better entry signal. Price gave me a beautiful evening star pattern right here. Once I got the evening star pattern, I did a sell limit from this right here. My entry was right there. My stop loss was up here. I originally had a 15 pip stop loss, but I moved it up to 20 just to give price enough leeway room to do whatever it wanted to do. And then just let the trade do its thing. And as you can tell, price was in profit for a little bit. Tapped into a trade, it was in profit. We were up, I think, $300 at one point, and then eventually price just started retracing to the upside and stopped me out. Now it sucked. I was on my way to work when this happened. I was like, man, what is going on? Like, I don't know what's been going on with me lately on the charts. I don't know if it's me. It's me. I was gonna say I don't know if it's me or it's the market, but it's definitely me. I'm the one taking the trades. I'm the one entering these trades and taking these positions. And I'm taking this position, and I was rethinking about it. I'm like, okay, this trade on NZDSD, I follow my trading plan. Like, I literally follow my trading plan to the T. Price broke below the structure point, evening star pattern, retest previous structure point, round psychological level. Like, it makes sense. Like, and I took it. Price was in profit. Daily candlestick closed exactly how I like it to close. What was I expecting the next hit to continue to push to the downside? Like, I was not expecting to push up. So like, I followed my trading plan and did what I was supposed to do here. Coming to market this morning again, I followed my trading plan and did everything I was supposed to do. So I can't control the markets, right? And I'm in a losing streak right now. I think we've lost 5 trades in a row. Either 5 or 6 trades in a row right now. Yeah, we're in a losing streak. But you know what? You know what the easiest way to get out of a losing streak is? You keep trading. Because that's how you get in the losing streak in the first place. So if I just keep trading, following my trading plan, being disciplined, being focused, taking trades that line up with my trading plan, that makes sense, I'll be fine. We're gonna hit. We're gonna win a trade. In Jesus' name. It's only a matter of time. So I just gotta be patient with that. Now, I do want to say that I guess I could have done a better analysis, because I realized, okay, my thought process coming into the week is to sell, because we have the rejection from this structure point, and every time we have a rejection from here, I'm looking to sell. So that was my mindset going into this week. What I should have done is just analyze the market for what it's done. The market is bullish on the weekly. The market is bullish on the daily. what would price be looking to do to continue pushing to the upside? It would have a retracement. Okay, cool. If you go down to a daily, price had the retracement to the structure point. Now what would I be looking for? A doji candlestick and then entry signal to go to the upside, or like Tuesday's candlestick was like a bullish push to continue to the upside. So that's what that's the mindset I should have had coming to a market. And not just on GPUSD, but on NZDUSD. Actually, NZDUSD, I was looking at short. Like, literally, I was just looking at short. USJPY, looking for the push. Obviously, price had to push the upside. EURUSD, again, that's the mindset I should have come into this. So, after thinking about it, after analyzing, I realized, okay, I should be looking to buy on this pair. Now, it's Tuesday, February 3rd, 2026. I'm not taking any more trades this week. I'm not taking a trade Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday. I've already taken 2 trades this week. I risked 1% on both trades, and we lost them. And that's 2 trades in 2 days. Like, that's, for me, that's a lot. And I don't want to say that's a conviction, but it's like now I'm like, okay, if I take a 3rd trade, I'm just being desperate. I'm just being greedy, and I'm just trying to make back what I lost. So I'm done trading for this week. I'm gonna spend the rest of the week just looking at the market, analyzing it. If a setup presents itself, I'll probably just put like the risk to reward ratio thing, and just to see, okay, if I had taken it, would it have played out, stuff like that. But other than that, I am not looking to take any more trades this week. Sometimes the best thing you can do is just take a step back before you do the wrong action. Right? Let's say I were to take a trade tomorrow and I lost that trade as well. Now I'll be mad at myself. I'll be mad at myself because I know I'm not supposed to do that, and I did it. I broke my trading point, technically. And now I'm mad at myself because I broke my trading point, not even because I lost. And then I'll go into a whole spiral, and I don't feel like doing that. So, just taking time off from the markets. I'll probably do a reflection video. Talk about what's going on, because like the first trade of the year we won, beautiful trade, got a nice risk reward on it, and after that, I think the second week we didn't take any trades, and then the 3rd week we just lost trades, and then 4th week lost, and then this week we lost again. So we're in a losing streak right now, but guess what? My God is able to do exceedingly and abundantly above all that I can ask, think, or imagine. It says in the Bible, "Be anxious for nothing. Instead, by prayer and supplication with thanksgiving, make your requests known to God. And the peace of God that surpasses all understanding will guard your hearts and minds in Christ Jesus." It says, blessed is the man that trusts in the Lord, whose trust is the Lord. And I trust that if God put me on this journey, if Jesus Christ, right, that's my Lord and Savior, if God put me on this journey to be the best day trader that I can be, I know He's going to see me through. It says in the Bible, he who began a good work in you will see it through the completion. And it's talking about salvation. What do you call it? What's the word? Sanctification. It's talking about sanctification, right? Becoming more like Christ each day. But you can apply that Bible verse to your trading journey as well. Like, if God called me to do this, and I'm doing this, and I'm putting the work in, I'm showing up each day, and I'm doing what I'm supposed to do, I know that I'm going to win eventually. I will become a consistently profitable day trader in the name of Jesus Christ. All I gotta do is put the work in, be patient, because faith without works is dead, right? So put the work in, have faith that God is doing His part, right? He's molding me into the best day trader that I can be, so that when those trade opportunities present themselves, I know how to handle it. I know how to trade correctly. I know how to enter those positions and to risk the right amount and to manage. Yeah. So I was a little discouraged seeing this trade lose this morning, because I'm like, man, it feels like I'm taking losses after losses. I just keep taking L's, but you know, losses turn to lessons, and from those lessons you start winning. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. If this could encourage anybody, if you made it this far, right? God sees you, God cares about you, God is with you, right? Just keep trusting in the Lord. Trust in the Lord with all of your heart and lean not on your own understanding. Acknowledge Him in all of your ways, and He shall make your path straight. Just God got you, man. Be patient, keep going, put that work in. So stay focused, stay disciplined, stay consistent. God bless you, God keep you safe, and yeah, peace be upon you. Jesus' peace be upon you. In Jesus' mighty name, amen. Yeah, amen. All right, YouTube. Just doing a quick update. It's currently Wednesday, February 4th, 2026, 5:28 p.m. So I'm over here. I'm about to edit the video and post the video from yesterday, right? And look how, and I'm just looking at the charts because I know I said I'm not trading for the rest of the week, but I'm still gonna look at the charts and analyze and see, okay, what's going on in markets, if price is flowing. Look at what market did. So yesterday we took this beautiful sell, got freaking wicked out, right? Price did a fake out, and guess what it did today? Massive sell-off to the downside today. Now the day can still close below the structure point. If I was trading for the rest of the week, literally tomorrow morning, literally this same trade I took here, I would be looking here. Wait for price to retest it overnight. Hold on, let me actually move this right here. But literally this trade that I took here, I would be looking for the same thing here. So I'll wait for price to retest it, give me a nice order block, pull back to the order block, give me an interest signal, I'll be looking to sell. Like, and it's so annoying because I'm like, because I'm looking at this, right? And this is, I'm talking to myself and I'm talking to God. I'm like, okay, am I doing something wrong right now? Because I'm in like a 6-trade losing streak, either five trades or 6 trades in a losing streak right now. But the trades that I'm taking, like, they make sense. I'm following my trading plan. They line up with my analysis for the week. When I'm coming to a market on a week, on Sunday, I know, okay, let me give you an example. This is actually a prime example of what I'm talking about. So I come to the market on Sunday. Weekly is bullish because there's a high, low. Daily is also bullish, high, low, high up here. So technically, if I was going on this trend, I'll be looking to buy. But because I know what price is doing on a weekly, massive rejection from this level, massive wick. Like every time price has done that, always sells off. Like, so technically, I guess I'll be looking to buy. But based on my analysis, I'm looking to sell. So coming to weekly, when I go down to a lower time frame, I know what I'm looking for in a lower time frame. I just need that to line up with the higher time frame. This trade that I took lined up nicely. Daily candlestick closed below, 4-hour retest. Interest signal was given, I sold it off. We got faked up, price pushed to the upside. Now it's having a massive retracement to the downside. And this move right here, bro, is literally about to play out tomorrow. Like, just watch this this move play out tomorrow. And not only is it going to get here, it's going to break past this level and push down here. Just watch it. I know. When I do my Saturday recap, come back and watch this video and see what I'm talking about, man. And not only does it suck, right? Like, you can tell I'm a little pissed off at this because market, what are you doing, right? Come on. Not only is it suck on GPUSD like this, look at NZUSD, man. Look at this. I took this trade last week. Faked me out. Okay, I understand. Come into market this week. Literally, price action. Give me a signal. Beautiful push. Took the trade. Price came back. Stopped me out. Fake out. Okay. Like, what more do you want me to do, right? And then today, price finally has the massive sell-off to the downside. Look at it. Look at how the daily candlestick closed. Look at that. And now, literally, what I was expecting Monday, I'm going to wait for the continuation to the downside. But I'm not taking this trade. I'm not taking any more trades this week, so it doesn't matter. But it's just, this sucks because I look back at this, right? And obviously when you lose, it sucks, right? Losing is a part of trading. But like, I don't want to lose. Obviously, nobody wants to lose. But then I look at the losses. I'm like, okay, I'm not doing anything wrong. I'm following my trading plan. I'm doing what I'm supposed to do. Like, am I missing something? Like, what's going on? The markets are just being ridiculous right now, and they're just playing games and doing shenanigans. And that's why I'm staying away from it for the rest of the week. Welcome to Market Sunday. We'll figure out what the move is for next week. Another thing that came to mind is the price could be setting up this week for next week. So if you go on GPUSD, if price does close down here for the weekly candlestick as a bearish candlestick, then we can expect the continuation push to downside next week. Same thing as NZUSD. If this closes, actually not even as a bearish candlestick, well, a bearish candlestick, but if it closes like a doji candlestick like it did here, like if this price action happens right here, then I'll be looking to sell next week. USDJPY, just beautiful push to the upside. Like this trade is just beautiful. It sucks that it didn't give me a setup at all, but it played out beautifully. Like, just look at that, beautiful. Anyways, price closes like this, and it's gonna give me a nice Morningstar pattern. Literally wait for the retest to continue to the upside. That's it. EURUSD, I would need to apply for price to close as a bearish candlestick, just like GBP USD, and then wait for the pullback and to continue selling. And this is the weekly move, by the way. USD CAD. If price actually closes at the doji, that'll be fine because the next week I'll be looking to buy. And then ADSD, just watching it. USD CHF, same thing, just watching it. But like, man, all I can say is, man, trust in the Lord, trust in God, right? Sometimes you might not understand what's going on, but just be patient. Keep your eyes on God, focus on God. And when you do feel doubtful, when you start getting fearful, when you start having FOMO, when you start having fear, Because read the word, right? Philippians 4:6, I believe. Be anxious for nothing, but instead by prayer and supplication, present your requests to God. Yeah, Philippians 4:6. Be careful for nothing, but in everything by prayer. I'm just going to put it on the screen. I'm just going to put it on the screen. So you guys can see it too. Like, I was just about to edit this video, post it, and I'm looking at the chart while I'm doing it. I'm like, come on, bro. Like, this is the move that I was expecting. You couldn't give me a setup? Come on, huh? Marcus, what are you doing right now? I don't know what's going on right now. All right, cool. Philippians 6. Do not be anxious about anything, but in everything, by prayer and supplication, right? This is communicating with God, telling Jesus, hey, God, I need help. I need help right now. With thanksgiving, don't forget everything He's already done for you, right? And that's one thing that I had to learn. I'm like, God, thank you for all the trades you gave me in the past. Thank you for the mindset to go into the markets correctly. Thank you for the ability to manage risk correctly. Thank you for the ability to steward this opportunity that you gave to me. With Thanksgiving, let your requests be made known to God. Then I'm like, God, I want to have dominion in this area. I want to have dominion in this skill set. And it says in your word that you who started a good work in me will see it through the completion. So I know you can do it. And then verse 7 is actually pretty good too. And the peace of God, which surpasses all understanding, will guard your hearts and minds in Christ. After I prayed that, I'm like, okay, does it suck that I lost the trade? Yeah. But then at the end of the day, right, there's only so much that I can control. I can't control what the market's going to do. I can control is my reaction to it, how much I risk, and that's it. That's really it. So all the rest is up to God. So I hope you learned something from this video. I hope you got encouraged from this video. That's what I would say. And I feel like I was talking to me a little bit too. Might have to watch this video. But yeah, just keep trusting in the Lord. Be patient. Your time will come. That breakthrough is on the way in the name of Jesus. Keep going. Keep going. God bless you all.